Hey guys, VT Maestro here, coming at you with a repair video for my 2013 LGTX 1050 Cub Cadet. This is the electronic PTO clutch, and as you can see here, I went ahead and snapped these wires off by accident. I was cleaning my deck and sharpening the blades. When I put everything back together, I happened to turn this in the opposite direction and the wires snapped. Typically there's a spring here that connects on, and it prevents this from being pulled in the opposite direction. I think that spring is long gone, thus when I installed it, I happened to go the wrong way. Luckily I have some of the wires left here. I think there's enough wire here where I can strip this back and go ahead and attach new wires and solder them in. I've also seen guys tap into the top, drill down here, tap into the wires and bring new wires across, then just silicone over all this. But again, I think I got enough wire here to work with. So that's this afternoon's project here, putting the PTO back together. I think this runs brand new between $150 and $300. If I brought this into the shop, this would definitely be a $300 fix here. They probably just say you need a new clutch. And hopefully I can put this back together and save some money and keep this running. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and wired in my two new wires. They're both soldered here. Also used some heat shrink to make sure everything is not exposed for any wire. And I have two butt connectors here for these wires, and my two hot negative wires from the garden tractor will connect here. Went ahead and put some silicone here just to make sure everything is tight and waterproof. Now we're going to test it out and make sure it's working before we install it on the tractor. Alright, so I'm going to give things a test here, but first of all I want to show you my solar powered generator I built a couple years ago. I have other videos on my channel, so check it out. This is a 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter with a 125 amp hour AGM battery. I also have ports here for solar panel hookups, 12 volt accessories. It also has metering on the top here, so forth. So pretty cool rig, and a charge controller here in the back. So cool setup here. Let's go ahead, give things a test. I just have a line plugged into the negative and the positive here, and we should hear this make a sound. Here's my negative line. I also have a couple battery terminals here so I can jump if I need to jump something. So as you hear this make a sound. Alright, so we know it works. The wiring's all good. Next step here is to hook it up. Alright guys, you're not going to get this job done unless you have some kind of impact wrench to take out the PTO clutch and so forth. Now unfortunately I don't have any air tools here, but I went ahead and picked up this electric impact wrench. It's Chicago Electric. It's a very low cost remedy here I got from Harbor Freight, $40 with the coupon. And certainly not as good as the air stuff. So when you're in a bind, this will definitely work.